Holy crap! I found some gamma radiation. Should I drink it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe gamma radiation does that.
Actually.
What you saw earlier is not what would happen to that scientist. Stan Lee makes it sound cool with the Hulk and stuff, but the Hulk would be screaming for a different reason. You'd be suffering from vomiting, diarrhea, nausea, confusion, anorexia, myelonecrosis, hair loss, cramps, skin burns, and possibly death. So
There are many types of cancers gamma radiation can cause, including leukemia, breast cancer, lung cancer, and thyroid cancer.
it also has an effect called ionization, which is a separation of electrons from an atom.
Ionization destroys DNA by disturbing chemical bonds of the helix and breaking down one or both DNA strands, otherwise known as a single-strand break or double-strand break. You might be wondering what gamma radiation is.
Well, the dictionary definition is penetrating electromagnetic radiation of a kind arising from the radioactive decay of atomic nuclei.
I don't think that's the dictionary.
Well, that's besides the point. Gamma radiation is the smallest on the electromagnetic spectrum and generally has an energy level of over 100 keV.
That's a large number. Ultraviolet radiation has energy that falls in the range of few electron volts to about 100 eV. To put that in perspective, 1 keV is the equivalent to 100 eV.
Now that you've heard about the effects, you may be wondering where it comes from. Let's ask the people of Cambridge.
Okay, Teddy, where do you think gamma radiation comes from?
Women.
Okay, we're gonna have to go over to this guy. Where do you think gamma radiation comes from?
Gamma rays? Oof. I'd almost say, well, what? Gamma is the sun normally, so what? Yeah, so it's gotta be like.
Okay, enough time. Okay, guys, gotta find another person. Just pause it now. Where do you think gamma radiation comes from?
I don't. So you know when the Hulk?
No, okay, no, what? Cut it. Cut it.
Gamma radiation can come from Earth sources like uranium, thorium, and potassium-40, or they can come from cosmic sources like supernova remnants, black holes, neutron stars, and active galactic nuclei. But what are the uses?
Glad you asked. Gamma radiation has many uses.
For example, cobalt-60 can be used for sterilizing medical equipment and pasteurizing foodstuffs.
Cesium-137 can be used to measure the flow of liquids in industrial facilities and check soil moisture density.
Technetium-99 is used for medical research and diagnostic studies.
Americum-241 is used in household smoke alarms and aircraft fuel gauges.
Now let's do fun facts at the park.
When nuclear fission was first discovered, it was thought they made new elements, dubbing the new elements as osmium and hesperism. Watch that.
The lethal dose of gamma radiation is roughly 400 rads, which is equal to about 40 million bananas. It costs 100,000 bananas for one rad.
A line of plates in the 1930s known as Fiesta Ware had a color known as radioactive red. Little did they know, it was actually radioactive with uranium glass. It took 30 years for the line to be discontinued in 1960.
1990s, observatories in space detected bursts of gamma rays coming from Earth that eventually were traced to thunder clouds. When static electricity builds up inside clouds, the immediate result is lightning. That static electricity also acts like a giant particle accelerator, creating pairs of electrons and positrons.
Any last words?
Gamma rays are cool.
Holy crap, Lois, it's the gamma radiation. Gamma radiation has many uses. Here you go.
For example,